Hi there, my name is Kate Hodges. I serve as Concord's Deputy Town Manager, and I'm coming to you today to give a brief update on the town's response to the COVID-19. I recognize that this time is difficult for everybody. Children are out of school. Many are saying that they're bored. People are having a hard time getting to work and arranging for childcare. And we are trying to do our best as a community to come together and make sure that we have everybody have the support and services that they need. Related to human services, the Council on Aging has been nearly fully staffed, taking calls throughout the day from concerned persons, seniors, friends of seniors, and families, making sure that their population has deliveries for groceries and canned goods, the Meals on Wheels program, and prescriptions. If you or someone you know needs these services, if you know a senior who is having a problem getting their medications or getting home delivery for food or needs a ride during the times that the supermarkets have identified as the vulnerable population shopping times, please make sure that you give the Council on Aging a phone call. Their number is 978-318-3020. Someone is there on the phones between the hours of 8 and 5 p.m. daily. If there's a social services need that you have, either for someone over the age of 60 or someone under the age of 60, we also have our social workers staffed around the clock to try to take information from people. That doesn't mean that a social worker will be able to call you back immediately. Our caseload has risen about 20% since the start of this, understandably, and we want to make sure that we're prioritizing care and prioritizing some of the resources that we have as best we can with what people need. The Concord Free Public Library is closed at this time, but have a great deal of online applications and online resources that folks can use from their home, including videos, books on tape, recorded books, and other sort of activities that you can do at home. You can visit them at concordlibrary.org. The town has also been working closely with Open Table, which is a resource for this community and several others in the area for a variety of groceries. They have mobilized and are using some parts of Harvey Wheeler to be able to collect and have grocery deliveries set up. If you or someone you know is struggling to get groceries, any age or any economic status, please make sure that you give the Human Services agencies a phone call. Again, the Council on Aging number is 978-318-3020. And the Community Services phone number is 978-318-3034. Our Community Services Coordinator's name is Bonnie Wilbur. She can also be reached via email at bwilbur, WILBUR, @concordma.gov. Our Public Information and Communications Manager, Erin Stevens, is updating our website several times a day, www.concordma.gov. If you have any questions related to what is on the website or information that you've seen there, or if you're having trouble navigating the website, you can email Erin at estevens@concordma.gov. Erin will also be talking a little bit later about the other ways that you can follow what's going on in the town via social media and other avenues. On a side note, I recognize that this is a hard situation for everybody. As your town officials, we want to make sure that we're being responsive to what the government, the governor, and the CDC is asking us to do, while also being reasonable and understanding of our community's needs. This is not easy for anybody. If the town makes a determination and you as a citizen don't think that it's the right one, we do want to hear from you. But we can't always get back right away, and sometimes we have to make determinations and decisions that not everybody will understand or agree with. We understand, and we're running that risk. We're trying to do it with the idea of keeping people in Concord healthy, safe, and relatively happy, and we're trying to strengthen business relationships as best we can. This is hard for everybody living, working, and doing business in the community, and I understand that. I'm interested to hear if there's anything that you think that we could do to try to help build people up during this time. I'm also interested in anybody's opinions of how we can help businesses and families recover once the pandemic has been cleared. Please feel free to email me anytime, khodges, Hodges, @concordma.org, or you can call the office line at 978-318-3000. There's a lot of staff that working in the townhouse that are in and out all week long, including working remotely. I can tell you that I speak for the entire senior management team when we say that we're in this together and we just want to make sure that we're making this work. Take care of yourselves and each other. Thank you.